buongiorno and welcome to I don't know how to call it, maybe vlog I would say. It's a place where I was sharing what I do on a daily kind of base, not daily but hopefully as often as possible, and I show you what it takes to run the Coastal Italian, which is my shops where I run Italian cooking classes, fresh pasta and all sort of Italian goods. Today, first up will be the brand new Sydney fish market. There we're gonna get some seafood for tonight cooking class. Pretty quiet in the morning. Lately it's been crazy in here, especially in the afternoon and evenings, packed with people. Hello. Do you have calamari? Got the calamari for tonight, and now we are heading to the store. Just set up the shop, caffeinated. Now we're gonna make some fresh pasta. Gonna do some casarecce first. Now that the flour is in, we start to pour slowly the water. And we are going to let it knead for about 5 minutes, up until it's all nice and even, kind of thin crumb. Okay, so now that it's nicely mixed, nice and even, we're gonna let it rest, and then we're gonna start to extrude some pasta. To begin with, we're gonna go with the casarecce. Now it's time to extrude the pasta, and the first few that come out, we always have to throw them away. That's normal. They don't have the shape yet. It's actually pretty good straight away. But I need to discard this one, so this one is gonna go in the bin. So all of this in the bin. And now we can start cutting our casarecce. Okay, so casarecce all finished, and now it's time for the next shape, fusilli. Just got a little delivery, nothing exciting, just some soft drinks and breadstick that we'll need for the week. Back to making pasta. Okay, so pasta is all done, the machine is clean. Now it's time to open up the shop. So just caught up with some emails on Wednesday. There are always quite a few, a little bit of admin to do for the week. Filled up the fridges for tonight with drinks, and now it's time to get ready for tonight cooking class. First thing that I usually start with is dessert, because it's the one that takes the longest. So tonight for dessert we're gonna have a crostata, so is an Italian jam tart, let's say. Very simple to make, but it's always good to have as a little sweet to finish. We use it quite a bit even for breakfast. We are Italians, like a bit of a sweet for breakfast. But I'll show you. Super simple. And the recipe, so maybe, I don't know, I'll put it somewhere here or in the description. So the way might be a nice way to add little value to the vlog. So recipe for the pastry. You will need 250 grams of flour, 125 grams of unsalted butter, 70 grams of sugar, 5 grams of baking powder, 1 egg, and of course jam, which tonight I'm gonna use a raspberry jam, but you can pick and choose whichever you prefer. I'll show you how to make it. Okay, so from here, once you get to this kind of crumbly mixture where you have all of your dry ingredients and the butter, you're going to add your egg, and then you need like a dough. Once you get to this stage, you are good to roll it all out. I forgot, between 2 baking paper, okay, 2 sheets of baking paper. Once it's all rolled out, you put it in a tart tin like this. Fill it with jam. I put a raspberry jam on my one, but you can put whichever you prefer. Different jams, combination of jams and walnuts, almonds, totally up to you. Leftover dough, you do the little lace strips crisscross on top in the oven until it's nice and golden. Generally it's 20-25 minutes, 160. So this is the dessert. Crostata came out for tonight, nice and golden. Now I'm getting ready for the actual class. So we're gonna prepare some ingredients for the sauce and antipasto and so on. Now we are chopping some calamari for tonight. On Wednesday night we generally do what we call one dish wonder Wednesday. So in the class we make one pasta shape, one sauce, and tonight the sauce will be with calamari and andouille, which is a spreadable salad, spicy spreadable salad. Just having some pasta before dinner, before the class. That's our dinner, that 5:30 sort of thing. Add a bit of cheese, very simple, but look at this container. We got it in Melbourne, in a shop in Melbourne. It says Parmigiano Reggiano and the shape is like a wedge. Very good. Couldn't believe it when I saw it. Very cool. Never seen it before. But it has some pecorino in it. Very quick cacio e pepe, and we all set for tonight. So quick bites before the class.
Dove Pepe?
Oh no, Pepe. Cacio e pepe, we know Pepe. We know Pepe. You want some pepper?
Sì, grazie.
And yes, now, buon appetito. We just finished up the class. Very nice group. We had 6 people, so we made some marchette, a nice sauce with calamari and anduja. Tables are clean, same as the floors.
For now.
For now.
Until
tomorrow.
And we do it all again.
Ciao.
Ciao. Buonanotte.
Buonanotte.